Regularly maintaining your evaporative cooler is crucial to achieve a longer working life. In this video, we'll show you some handy tips on how you can extend the working life of your product and keep it performing at its best. Before we do this, we need to make sure that the unit is unplugged from the mains. Now that your unit has been unplugged from the power, we can go ahead and start draining the water out of the water tank through your drain plug. Once the water has been drained, we can then move on to your air filter and your cooling pad. Be careful when handling these cooling pads as they are very, very fragile. When you do get the cooling pad out, you can rinse with a hose from inside out. Do not use any soapy water or a pressure washer. This can damage the cooling pad. Once those have been rinsed out, we recommend leaving them out in the sun to dry, so then we can move on to the tank. Regular cleaning of the tank and all its components is vital to ensure that there is no buildup of contaminants or algae. So we recommend thoroughly cleaning the unit with a soft cloth and a scrubbing brush for the more stubborn areas with calcium buildup. When cleaning the tank, there are some important components we do need to check over, which are the waterfall channels, the water level sensor, and the water pump. We need to make sure that these are free of debris, otherwise if they aren't, it can reduce the efficiency of the product. In order to avoid the buildup of algae or other biological organisms, we do recommend you add chlorine or bromine tablets to the tank, but just check with the manufacturer to make sure that those tablets are designed to be used in evaporative coolers. When conducting regular maintenance on your evaporative cooler, we recommend doing a full visual inspection inside and out to make sure that all the nuts and bolts and fittings are secured, so when you do put it back into service, the unit is safe to use. Another handy tip is we recommend cleaning the unit regularly with a soft cloth with a diluted detergent. When connecting your evaporative cooler to a water supply, always ensure not to over tighten this, as it can cause the float valve to rotate clockwise, which could cause the tank to overflow. When using the hose connection to fill the unit, we recommend filling the unit completely to ensure that the unit's float valve has not been adjusted during connection. Regular visual inspection of the float valve is crucial to ensure that the unit is in the correct position. Now that you have cleaned, inspected and put your unit back into service, we recommend that after the warmer months have passed, you do a full clean from top to bottom, and then you store in a dry and secure area until the warmer months return. If you'd like to buy one of our evaporative cooler storage covers, head over to our website to the Where to Buy to find an Australian stockist near you. For more information on our evaporative cooler range, head over to www.tqbbrands.com.au.